Hello, this is John Shin, and I'm here at the AV room to prepare a training material for Teradoc video streaming device, which will be integrated with YouTube Live. And I would like to walk you through the demo of this particular configuration so that people can actually use this. And I expect that I will provide this actual hands-on training. Typically, I'm here on Saturday between 9:30 and 12:30 when there is a Korean school for our kids. So you can visit me to get this training. In fact, actually, you will be required to get the training so that you can get the password for the YouTube Live account as well. Okay. So let me get started by showing you the device. This is a Teradoc video streaming device, and it is configured to use YouTube Live, which is a free service for us. And fortunately, this is a live streaming device, so we can actually use it in the children's room or the cafeteria in the future for streaming, which will be about 30-second delay, but then they will be able to view the event that's happening in the main church hall. So in order to start, you got to prepare the event. So I just want to walk you through that. And in fact, in terms of the reservation of the YouTube Live event, it needs to be done on a web browser. So I'm going to show you this on one of the desktop in the room, but I have saved the YouTube Live link on the ATEM control unit as well. So you can actually see the link and use that and log on from there as well. So to start, I'm going to show you the browser setup. So let me switch over. So I bring up a Chrome browser. Obviously, YouTube product, being Google owned, is much well supported in Chrome. So when you go to Google and search for YouTube Live, you'll see a YouTube Live event link, and this will require you to log in. And I'm gonna actually choose a different account. As I mentioned before, the YouTube channel is called HKMCCTV. And then the login account is HKMCCTV@gmail.com. So given that, I will not share the password at this point in time, but after training, I'll provide you that as well. So you sign in, and once you go to the live event, you'll see the two reserved events already. Typically, I will be setting up live events reservation for the following Sunday, or maybe for that entire month ahead of time, so they can be available on Teradoc Video Unit. So for the purpose of demo, I'll be creating a new event for this Saturday. So this is standard format I want everybody to follow, which is actual date about the year, starting from year, date. So if it was January, it would be 01. This is November. Today is November 1st. So 11:01. And then the actual space and the time in the 24-hour format. So I'll go with a 13:30 for the note the 1:30 p.m. and note that this is testing. So in the event of mass, I typically put MAS here. I usually copy this text into the also description, and then I'll choose actual time to start event, and it's public because we would like to broadcast live. And this is an important part right here. You got to choose custom because we have to use a custom to enable our Teradoc video unit streaming. So once you save the setting, it will give you option. I made a schedule start time should be in the future. Oh, sorry, I chose 1:30 a.m. 1:30 p.m. and then I'll create the event, and it will give you option. The ingestion method. This is a custom ingestion method. If you pull down, you'll see a one called Video 720p. Please use this setting. If there's anything else, don't use those. Please use this setting. And then once you choose that option, it will automatically save. Or to make sure, you can click save as well here. Once the event has been saved, you can go back to the main screen by clicking this link that takes you back to the event manager. And you'll notice that Event Manager is now showing the testing event here. So going back to the Teradoc Video Unit, I'll show you how to leverage that. Okay, so if you look at the screen here, you'll notice that it's actually using another test date that was different time, 1 p.m. 00 hour. So what I will do is that I will change this by using these two buttons right here. These two buttons are not only pressable, but also horizontally and vertically controllable like a joystick. So you choose to the right, and then it will bring you to broadcast setting. Click to press down the click, and you would like to update the event to your desired event. So you will bring it down and choose that, and then it will bring up the list of events that was a program in the scenario that we presented in the browser. So you notice that we have 3 scheduled events, and you will also see 3 scheduled events available here to be choose from. So you can go up and down. Notice I can press downward or upward to go and choose. And I'm going to choose the one in the testing. And once the event has been selected, you'll so that notice all the settings are correct. You can press menu sorry, I pressed the wrong button. I can set it. And then you go to the left to get out of the setting, and then left again to go back to the ready mode. At this stage, you can actually start the event by pressing this button right here. So when a time comes at 1:30 p.m., when the, let's say, mass is starting, you can press this button right here, click start, and you have actually a choice between preview and live. Now, obviously, you will go to live. You can actually choose a preview, and then on the view YouTube view, the web page, you can actually see the streaming itself. So if you can test it out that way as well. But for the time being, you just can go. You don't have to go through that setting at all. You just go to live mode. So you press. You can select the live, left and right, and then click live, and then it will actually go start. And at this time, once it starts and then it's streaming if you're in live on the if you now go back to the web browser and then actually select that event, go to live control room, you'll see that it is actually takes time to actually get the it says here not receiving data yet. It takes time for them to actually notice that you are sending, so we'll wait. In fact, I'll just refresh here. Yep. So you'll notice the live stream is about 30 seconds behind. That's the YouTube need to receive it and process it, ready to encode it for live broadcast. And you notice that live event has been recording for the last 20 seconds, and it is recording on the YouTube Live. And people can actually search on the YouTube on a channel called HKMCCTV and then see this broadcast at this point in time. Keep in mind, once we end the broadcast, and then we can edit that file so that we can actually also upload that particular content on our same channel as well, and that is currently planned as a part of the website delivery as well. So anyway, going back to the device, I would like to show you now how to end the live event. You could have definitely done it from the web browser as well, but for now, I can show you how to do it through just blindly without any web browser, because you can do all that from this event control on the Teradoc video unit. So you click the stop button again, and then you'll see the stream versus event. You can stop the stream and then pause it, just like sort of like a pausing kind of thing. And then a live event is just on a standby mode. Or you can actually choose to end the event, which is a typical case. And I'll do that. Choose that, and it will stop. And once you stop it, the YouTube Live, the event ends, and then it gets archived as a video file, which we explained before it will be edited. So that is pretty much the instruction that we need to use this particular service. And I expect that people to attend the training that's available on Saturday to take an advantage of this service. And furthermore, keep in mind, you don't have to use browser. The event has, I will maintain the events, especially for 9:30 and 11 o'clock Mass on Sunday, which is only the Mass that's designed for recording purpose. So we'll go ahead and do that. And all you have to do is obviously just use this menu button and then choose, sorry, let me just get out of there. Choose the event of your choice. So now I'm going to get ready for this coming 9:30 Mass or 11:30, 11 o'clock. So those are available. So that is pretty much it. I hope to give you another tour, hands-on training on Saturday, and then hopefully we can get additional people who are capable of doing live stream for other events other than 9:30 and 11 o'clock Sunday Mass. Thank you all. Have a good day.